I play a character. Her name is Tanya. She's a woman of today. She's very sure of what she wants. Very strong character. One of the central characters of the film, and basically a lot of the script revolves around her and Jimmy and their life. Once she comes into his life, and you know what happens after that. Sorry. Uh, that's what it's about. Basically, that's what my character is about. I don't know. Is that the way you perceive me? Not really. She's much older. She's no, not very much like me. The strong part maybe yeah, but otherwise no, not really. I'm very confident because I've known the director for some time, and I know that creatively he's very there as far as filmmaking is concerned, and I have no doubts on him, and his making skills. So when he came to me, I was happy and very honored actually that he came to me with such a strong character, and he thought that I'd be able to pull it off. Is something that really touched me. Um, I'm I'm not looking at any kind of specific work, but yes, I definitely want to work with like-minded people. With whom I can make a film, enjoy myself, really get into the creative process, and at the end of the day, feel exhausted mentally and physically. Where I feel I've given my best in every aspect. So I want to work with people who give me a chance to do that. I'm very happy right now. No complaints at all. I'm quite happy and quite satiated and quite busy. So no complaints. Thank you very much.